In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Photoshop. Creating a photo collage is a fantastic way to combine your favorite memories into one image, and while it may sound complex, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can do it with ease. Let's get started. First things first, we need to start by opening Photoshop and creating a new canvas. You want to make sure that your canvas is appropriately sized for the collage you intend to create. Think about how you want to display it, whether it's for print, social media, or a different platform. Select New from the File menu and choose your desired dimensions. A good tip is to start with a resolution of 300 dpi for a high-quality finish. Once your canvas is ready, the next step is to create guidelines for your collage. This is where the ruler comes into play. You'll use these guides to evenly space out the sections of your collage. To activate the ruler in Photoshop, simply go to View and select Rulers, or press Ctrl plus R, CMD plus R on a Mac. You'll want to drag the guides from the rulers to where you plan to make the cuts, dividing your canvas into equal parts for a balanced look. Now we need to make use of the Selection tool to prepare our canvas for images. Grab the Rectangle Marquee tool from the toolbar. With it, you'll create rectangular selections on your canvas, which will serve as placeholders where your images will go. Plan these sections carefully, they'll define the layout of your collage. After setting up the rectangles, it's time to duplicate them to ensure uniformity. You can simply do this by copying and pasting the rectangles using Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V, CMD plus C, and CMD plus V on Macs. Repeat the process until you have as many sections as needed for your collage. Be precise with positioning to maintain the aesthetic integrity of your collage. With the structure in place, it's now time to bring in the images. Go to File, select Place Embedded, and choose the images you want in your collage. Drag and resize them so that they fit into the respective rectangles you created earlier. This is where your creativity really comes into play, so experiment with the layout until you love how it looks. For the final polish, we should apply a clipping mask to each image, ensuring they nest perfectly within their rectangles. Right-click the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This will tidy up the edges and keep the images contained within their sections, giving your collage a clean, professional look. And there you have it. Once everything is in place and looks perfect to you, it's time to save your work. Choose File, then Save As, and select the file format that best suits your needs, whether it be JPEG, PNG, or a PSD file for future edits. And with that, you have successfully created a photo collage in Photoshop. Enjoy your beautiful creation.